Mama? Mama? You wanna go bye-bye? Mama? Say mama. Mama? Mama? Mama, let's go bye-bye and play. Yeah? Portia, you wanna go bye-bye too? Can she go? Yeah? You can go see the ducks? Go get your clothes. Get your clothes on. Where are they? They're in the playpen? Let's go see. Let's go see. Well, Abby, there's your clothes. Right there. Okay, we gotta get them on. Gotta get your clothes on, Junebug. Portia, that's your... Well, we don't do our dress like that. Portia, no, this is Junebug's. Come here, Junebug, baby. Put your head in. Junebug, put your sweater on. Come on. Portia! No. Now, don't pick on him. Come here. Stick your head in. Right here. You want to go bye-bye? Put your head in here if you want to go bye-bye. Right here. Put your head in here. Hang on. Portia, don't get in the way. Portia, he's trying to get dressed now. He's going to get pissed off. Come on, baby. There you go. You're dressed. Okay, Junebug's ready. Junebug's got his sweater on. Portia, where's yours? Come on. Come on. Get on to her. Tell her what to tell her. Tell her she's got to get clothes on. You ready? You want to go bye-bye? Now you want to go bye-bye? I know she's not listening. Take them to her and tell her to put them on. Here, Portia, get your clothes on. I don't think her wants to go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Here's your stroller. Ready? You ready? You're such a good boy. Okay. Tell her bye. Say bye, Portia. Say bye-bye. To Portia. Say bye. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Okay. Junebug's ready, Portia. Are you going with us? Are you going to go with us? Get your clothes on. You gonna go too? Okay. Now come here. Let's get your clothes on. Get your pretty little dress on. Yeah, I know it's a Christmas dress, but still it's pretty. Oh, get your little head in there. Oh my goodness, Mama. Well, Portia, I think it might be too little, honey. No, it ain't here. Put your head in. It'll fit you. Oh, how sweet. Look at Miss Portia. Come on. Come on, Portia. Come on. Oh, bless her heart. Oh, man, how cute. That. Ouch. Oh, your big bird messed up. Come on, stand up so everybody see how pretty you are. You're so damn cute. Walk for us, Portia, walk. Stand up. Stand up, girlfriend. That's a girl. That's the girl twirl about. You ready? Who's ready? What, now y'all are all humble and good, huh? Humble and quiet. In a pink stroller, Junebug. I'm so sorry. What was it? What was that? It's just something fell off the wall. Y'all look adorable. Beautiful, I say. Only a face a mother could love. I'm just kidding.